Don't let bad Google reviews sink your business. Let's turn that frown upside down and repair your online reputation. First, claim and verify your Google business profile if you haven't already. This is your central hub for managing your online presence and responding to reviews. Next, respond promptly and professionally to every review, especially the negative ones. Acknowledge the reviewer's concerns, apologize for the negative experience, and offer a solution or invite them to contact you offline to resolve the issue. If possible, contact the reviewer directly to understand their concerns better and attempt to resolve the issue. Often, a simple conversation can turn a negative experience into a positive one. After resolving the issue, politely ask the customer if they would consider updating their review to reflect their improved experience. Many customers are willing to do so once they feel heard and valued. Actively encourage satisfied customers to leave positive reviews. This could be through email, text message, or even a friendly reminder at the point of sale. Consistently managing your Google reviews builds trust, improves your online visibility, and ultimately attracts more customers, so stay proactive and keep that reputation shining.